students, wear your badges and please pay attention to the speech what is being said.
Good morning, respected Principal Sir, Vice Principal Sir, teachers, parents and all my dear friends. A very happy Independence Day to all of you. I, Adarshini and Gogoi of Class 5A would like to speak a few words about today's auspicious day. Independence Day is celebrated on 15th August every year. On this day in 1947, India got freedom from the British rule. The Britishers came to India in thirst of its resource and soon colonized it. Many freedom fighters lost their life in the golden page of history. But soon Mahatma Gandhi, with his thought such as do or die, led our nation towards Satyagraha and India was free. Since then, this day is well celebrated in Rashtrabhavan. The celebrations start with the hosting of national flag by the Prime Minister at the Red Fort in New Delhi. 21 gunshots are fired in the air in the honor of the occasion. People hoist the national flag Tiranga from many places and sing the national anthem Jana Gana Mana. But it is very sad that this year we can't celebrate it due to the COVID-19 outbreak. This day is a very proud moment for all of us. We all should walk in the path of Mahatma Gandhi, and only then we can pay true tribute to all those great men who lost their life in the making of India. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.